That's exactly what I want. I want to be different. I was trying to think earlier of a way that we could show up to jobs that nobody else would ever do. And Malakai said helicopter. I was like, yeah, that sounds fun. Who's got their pilot license? Oh, how'd you have to do that on camera? Funny bone. That didn't feel good. That's what happened when you were right. Am I driving?
Yeah, he is.
I came for
The same price. And it looks so much cooler. And don't have a front seat. I just don't think she needs a 16V turbo. 16 years old. But she did like this one too. All I'm worried about is like the repair cost on something that if something needs to be fixed or an oil change or something. You know, mine was a 1992 Dodge Caravan with a leaking transmission, leaking brake fluid, and leaking antifreeze all at the same time. There's plenty of times I left TR High School and couldn't stop. I had to pull over and put brake fluid in it. All because it was free. See what the back looks like. I don't know how to open it. Oh, maybe it's not. Oh, it comes with WeatherTech.
Today's my only day off, and so I was like,
So, my name is Tanya. This is Import. You need anything, please call Harold or Angela, either one.
I don't know. I've been looking at that one, but then that guy was looking at it yesterday. I thought he was going to come in here and buy it. So I didn't look at it no more.
Well, it's still missing the seat.
Yeah.
So it's not ready yet. It might be ready maybe next week, so.
I'm letting my bouginess outweigh logicalness. She's 16. She don't need to.
There's only been one owner before. I gotcha. Just so you'll know.
Oh, yeah. I read all that. That makes me feel better anyways.
Mm-hmm.
And they always took it to a dealership to have it serviced. And
Yes, sir. All right. Okay. So this is stating that I did show you that it is a clean title and no accidents, so sign there.
what did we come up with on the shaking and the speaker?
Oh, they done fixed it.
They fixed it?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
I didn't think it would be that big of a deal.
No, it wasn't. It wasn't.
And the speaker's good?
Yes, sir.
Sweet.
And then as is means as is. And while she's doing everything, if you want to go and check it out and turn it on and do what you got to do, here goes the key. And she's going to finish her contract, and then once she's done, I'll call you right back and you can sign that contract.
How about this? Can I go drive it for 5 minutes and be right back? Okay.
Yeah, let me give you a plate right quick.
Go ahead and take that out of the way.
Yeah, like I said.
Now it's working, but there's no bass.
New sun is coming up. So it begins.
No idea. I kind of sent her pictures of different cars to get an idea of what she wanted. But I kind of played it off like, well, we'll see. You're not, you know, you got to get your license, and that's going to take a few months. But in my opinion, it's your 16th birthday, so I want to do this now versus later. So she has no idea that it's happening, and we're just going to roll up at the birthday party. I'm going to have it pulled around at her party. So hopefully it'll be a surprise. Yeah, I got to find somewhere to hide it for the next month. Well, a few weeks. So before Sunday, I got to have it somewhere else other than my house. Yeah, like one of those snippets or something. I don't know, but I feel, you know, the past 6 years, there's been a lot of growth and heartache and stress and everything else, but all boiling down to, I feel blessed that I'm able to do something like this for my kid, just out of the blue without having to go, you know, go through months of trying to figure out how it's going to work or how it's going to happen or anything like that. So owning a business, yes, it's stressful at times, but there's a lot of blessings that come with it. So I'm glad I could do it. I don't know, something like that. And now my daughter's calling me, which is crazy. Hello.
This is sales tax for South Carolina, and this is title and tag fee. Total comes out to that. You gave us this. This is due in 20 days, and this is what we're gonna finance. Okay? Sign right there,
I don't
please.
believe in this. Sales tax. What?
For real, South Carolina kills us, I swear. You know, my property tax for my other car was like $500.
Really? Yeah.
I was like,
Yeah.
and it was only $8.9. I was like, oh my God.
How do I get the stickers off?
I'm fixing to.
Oh, you're gonna do it? Okay. I didn't know if there was a special way. Don't you don't have to look at me like that, ma'am.
Keep them on there just because it's you. Don't take them off. Keep them on forever.
It's good advertising, huh?
Exactly.
One day I'll have offices across the southeast, and then maybe.
Amen.
Nice.
These are the paperwork that you signed. And this is your contract. Okay?
Okay.
You have any questions or anything, please don't hesitate to call me. Of course, my name is Tanya. And then I'm gonna put all this right here.
Do I just bring a check by, or
For what?
the payments?
You can Zelle it. Do you have Zelle?
Yeah, I think so. I can set up a bill pay.
So you put a good review.
Oh yeah,
Um,
of course. Thank you.
Congratulations.
I appreciate
Your
you.
first oil change is free.
And I'll just come back here for that.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, have a good one. And I appreciate the hospitality and everything. Thank you.
Just be sure to give them trouble.
I will. I'll try to every time I come back. Good to go.